Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka Ube, Abhinav Education Society, College of Computer Science and Management, Pune. Welcome to the course on computer network. So this name suggests we will be primarily looking around all sorts of aspects encompassing computer network. This course primary aims of looking into that backbone or background or what activities go out the back of the network which help us in having this whole internetworks, right? So come to the objectives of this course. First one is we will learn understand how two computers in the internet talk to each other. Okay, and then we will go through the basic functionalities of the computer networks and understand the concept of networking models, protocols, functionality of which layers, then learn the basic networking hardware and tools. Okay, hello friends. Can you imagine today's world without email, online newspaper, blog, charts, and other services offered by the internet? We can quickly communicate with the person sitting hundreds of kilometers away from us. We can share images, videos, and other data files with each other no matter how far we are away from each other. So, all this is possible because of computer network. So, coming to the subject, computer network. So, what is computer network? Initially, we see basic definition, simple definition of computer network. Then we will see exact definition of computer network. Here is a set of communication elements connected by communication links. Simply, set. Set means nothing of elements, some elements of there. Which elements? Communication elements. In communication elements include computers, printers, mobiles, routers, switches, etc. Okay, and communication links includes wire or wireless. It may be wire or wireless. In a wire include coaxial cable, fiber optics cable, twisted pair cable, etc. And wireless communication links include satellite waves, radio waves, microwaves, etc. Okay, so this set of communication elements and communication links connected through internet. It's nothing but computer network. Okay, so let's see this diagram. Here is a computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, and here is a printer. These are the communication element, and these communication elements connected through this link, this wire. This wire means communication links. It may be wire or wireless. Suppose I draw here mobile, then I will use wireless. Okay, here is a wire. So this is a wire communication links. So this communication link connected to communication element. So this is computer network. So this computer network can be arranged using some topologies. Topologies, it's nothing but arrangement this element with the help of communication links. Arrangement this element with the help of communication links. These elements means what? Computer, printer, switches, routers, these elements. Arrangements with the help of links, wire or wireless. And this structure is called as topology. Okay, so simply here is the right arrangement of the elements of a communication networks, nothing but topology. Okay, so there is a types of topology: star, mesh, ring topology, bus topology, tree topology, etc. So in this computer network, we will see what is uh, switches, routers, wireless communication, topologies, types of topologies, server, client, etc. So we will see in the next video. So come to the exact definition of computer network. Here is a computer network definition. A network is a set of devices often referred to as a node. Nodes means communication elements. Okay, then connected by communication links. A node can be computer, printer, or any other devices. Already I told you communication elements means computers, printers, mobile, routers, switches. It's also called as node. Okay, so this device is capable of sending or receiving data generated by other node on the network. So why we use this communication element or communicate to each other because of sending information or resources. So through internet we can send information or resources, one computer element or communication element to the next communication element, okay, because of sending or receiving resources or information. So here is a definition of computer network. So in the next video we will see advantages of computer network and uses of computer network. Thank you.